Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today we're moving on to yet another advent calendar. Not surprising nor shocking. We've done many and have many more to do. If you would like to check out the ones that we have already opened here on the channel, there will be a playlist down below. It does include the infamous Sephora 2020 advent calendar. Surprise, surprise, it's still garbage. Sephora did not learn from their mistakes. So we're doing a calendar that I personally never opened before, but I don't have high expectations. I have low hopes. And that could potentially be just a little bit unfair because we don't know what's in here, but there's just something about Too Faced in the holidays where the quality just likes to take just a straight, I was gonna say nosedive, but it takes a swan dive, just right off. I don't know what it is about their holiday collections, but for me personally, all the ones that I have tried, the quality is just, it's not good. So I can't really imagine the Too Faced Enchanted advent calendar being fantastic, but I mean, hopefully it is. Hopefully I am very wrong and I have to eat my words. This is a 12 days of beauty advent calendar. Oh no, I can't see the back. Apparently all that stuff listed on the back and I just tried not to see. Of course, I don't know how much it costs because after you buy like your 15th advent calendar, you kind of can't keep track. Okay, this is $100. This is $100 for a Too Faced 12-day advent calendar. So we're looking at like roughly $8-ish per item in here. Is that math? I don't know. 96, close enough. $8 and some change per item in here. So I'm hoping we at least see some full-size things in here. I'm gonna assume there's gonna be a lot of like deluxe samples. Okay, so it is a $225 value. That's good to see. I'm glad it's not like, oh, pay $100, get like $125 worth of value.
Oh, you fool.
The packaging on this is kind of cute. It comes in like nice sturdy cardboard here and then lifts up to reveal all the little boxes on the inside. I will say for $100, this is very small. This looks like a Webster's dictionary. About that size. So let's go ahead and hop on into this. Starting with day number 1, the little boxes are pretty cute. This one has a cute little bunny and a bow tie on it. I like that. Oh, and then it ruins whatever is inside for you on the outside of the box. Don't know how much I like that. It's a little bit like somebody giving you a gift for Christmas and like writing socks on the outside of the box. The very first item in here, I do actually think this might be a full size. This is the Lip Injection Extreme. I've heard that the Too Faced Lip Injection is already pretty tingly, so I'm not exactly sure how much the Extreme is gonna like set my mouth ablaze, but let's find out. I'll just go ahead and rub this on here and I'll alert you guys when it starts burning. I did just have like a little bit of lip oil on my mouth before I put that on, so hopefully that doesn't like block the, you know, the stabbing too much. Alrighty, moving on to day number 2. It's right over here. Oh, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. I'm not sure if you're under the age of me. Get that reference. Okay, so the next thing we have in here is quite a bit smaller than the last item that we just got out, which is most definitely burning my mouth right now. It's making my mouth like leak a little bit. This is a sample of the primed and poreless primer. I'm not sure if putting on lip injector the very first thing I do for a video was a good idea. I already can't speak too good. This is a pore banishing and blurring face primer. It is a pretty small little guy here. It's supposed to be mattifying and skin smoothing. Okay, working our way down to number 3. It's like a game of like Jenga. Ah! Okay, day number 3. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, so the next thing we have in here is a little lip balm. I swear it's impairing my speech. They have like a whole range of peach like scented things, which I personally love peach. I love the smell of that just like fake peach essence. It smells so good to me, so hopefully this smells really nice. Oh, and it does. It smells like peach rings. It makes me very happy. This is a cute little lip balm. All right, the next day we have in here is day 4. Ooh. Okay. On the 4th day. That's the last thing I expected to plop out into my hand when I dumped out this box. Okay, it's really cute. It is really cute. But on the 4th day of this advent calendar, Too Faced gave to me a pin. It's a cute pin though. That's a real cute puppy. I'm pretty easy to slay with a cute puppy, but it is a pin. And $100 advent calendar, we have a pin. It's not stickers. It's not a keychain, but it is. a pin. I mean, sure, this is cute, but what am I gonna do with it? Nothing. I'm gonna do absolutely nothing with this. I don't like collect pins. I don't put them on like jackets or like my backpack, because I already went to school for like a billion years because I'm 30. To me, something like this is a little bit like cutesy and kind of like for a younger audience. But then it's a bit contradictory when your very first item in here is like pain needles in your mouth. Okay, so that was 4. Next in here we have a day number 5. Okay, so we have another variation of a primer. This time it is an eyeshadow primer. This is the Shadow Insurance 24-hour eyeshadow primer. I personally am not an eyeshadow primer person, so I don't think I'm going to be getting too much use out of this, but I could pass it along to somebody else. However, I do think this is a full size perhaps because it is a pretty large tube, and I really don't think you need too much of it to use for primer. All right, so we're already to the halfway mark here. We have day number 6, and so far I'm not seeing any color products, so there's been no like lipstick, eyeshadow, anything like that. Okay, so we have something else that is a non-makeup item. This is the Hangover pillow cream. I think they have like a whole like hangover line. This is supposed to be an ultra nourishing night cream infused with mineral rich stardust. That sounds a little bit peculiar. I don't know if you can actually get real stardust. It smells super good. Ooh, I really, really like the scent in that. It looks like you don't really get too much in here. This is a pretty small little pot. All right, moving on to the second half of the calendar. I would love to see some type of like color product. This seems a little heavy, so maybe this is something. Oh, okay. So the next thing we have in here, I definitely think this is a full size. This is the Dang Girl. The packaging on this I think is super pretty. It's really like shiny and reflective. Oh, it catching all of the junk on my desk down here gives it a nice like kaleidoscope effect. That's real pretty. My desk garbage has never looked so nice. I am actually running out of my favorite mascara. I missed the last sale on it. I had like 5 of them in my cart on Sephora because they were half off, and then I went to check it again and my cart total was like way too much money, like $125, and I was like, no. Oh, that is a big wand. Flonase. It smells like Flonase. I don't know why so many things smell like Flonase, but they do. I am definitely one for like a big, fluffy, chunky wand. This one is massive though. It looks like a cat's tail. Still not a single color product in the bunch, so let's go ahead and see what is next. We have a day at number 8. On your third Christmas, my true love gave to me. Is this another primer? I think we're good. Too Faced, we're covered. You've primed us all to pieces. Let's just go ahead and put some actual makeup in this box, perhaps? Okay, so the next thing we have in here is the Primed and Peachy primer. I don't think this one is a full size whatsoever. It's a very small. This is a cooling matte skin perfecting primer infused with peach and sweet fig milk. Fig milk? You can milk anything these days. It does kind of have like a light milky scent to it, but it's not too overly scented, which is probably good because a lot of people do have like reactions to heavily fragranced face products. It feels nice and silicone-y. It does make my skin feel really smooth, but yeah, another primer. That makes 3 in this box so far out of 12 days. Okay, moving on to day number 9, which is down here. Almost offended. Well, folks, I guess I'm just gonna have to like start a pin collection because I almost said Sephora. Oh, Too Faced. That's not a compliment. Too Faced is just really, really wanting me to just enjoy the pins. Again, enamel pins are cute. This one is cute, but like this is a makeup beauty advent calendar, and so far we've gotten 2 pins, 3 primers, some cream, and some painful lip gloss. Like I don't understand. Where's the makeup? I'm so confused. We have a mascara, that's something, but the closest thing that we've actually gotten to like makeup, anything with color in it, is the lipstick on this enamel pin. So yeah, it's again, cute pin, and if you're into enamel pins, that's great. But I know for a fact that you can buy enamel pins, really cute, like handmade ones. You can get them customized. You can do all sorts of things with enamel pins and not have to pay $100 for a makeup advent calendar to get them. I'm shocked. Alrighty, day number 10, only 2 days left after this. Maybe this has something with a tinge of color to it. Okay, we finally have another item that is makeup. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Eyeliner. I have never personally tried this eyeliner before. I don't really wear black winged eyeliner anymore, which is nuts because I declared like once upon a time that I would be like buried in black wing eyeliner. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a shake first. This has a brush tip applicator to it, which is actually my favorite type of applicator, so I'm happy about that. Okay, that's interesting. It went on pretty smoothly, but I do see like, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this, it's kind of small. They're like little bubbles. It kind of look like separation as I was gliding it over. Maybe I have a little bit of product right there on my hand or something. I don't think it's the primer because I primed that like down here. But to give it the benefit of the doubt, I'm gonna try it over here where I know there's no product. Yeah, again, I'm just seeing some like little separations happening, so that's interesting. Okay, so we are on the last 2 days here, and I want there to be something with color in it. Oh, could this be something with some color to it? My goodness, okay. The next thing we have in here is a Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo in the shade Apricot in the act. I like the pun. I do appreciate a pun. We have the blush and the highlight. Both of these are actually fairly deep. They look a little bit lighter on camera, but in person they are pretty deep. I definitely don't think I could pull off this very, very gold highlight. The blush, if it's just applied like really lightly, I think would be okay, but it is just a little bit dark. Okay, swatched, everything looks very different. So the blush itself is much lighter. It also kind of has like a sheen to it. And then the highlight is not my favorite type of highlight. It's kind of like chunky and glittery. And then once you kind of like wipe away all like the glittery bits to it, the color itself doesn't really stick around. So not exactly my favorite little duo of items here, but at least it's color. Okay, and we are finally on the last day here. I'm hoping for like maybe like a little palette or something, like a little quad of eyeshadows. It does seem to have some weight to it, so maybe we're gonna get something good. It's another mascara. So the next item in here is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So we got the eyeliner and now we have the mascara. This is a good mascara. I've tried it before and I do enjoy it, but we already got a full-size mascara. I do feel like they could have switched things up a little bit. They could have done some type of exclusive holiday like palette or something that just came in this advent calendar. Just something a little bit more exciting than 2 mascaras, an eyeliner, 3 primers, 2 pins. I feel like the entire value of the box is pretty much riding on these items here when the rest of it is just a little bit of like a throwaway. Okay, let's just say for a moment all these things are full-sized. I'm fairly certain they are. Let's say they are $25 a piece, which I actually think is overshooting a few of them. This right here would be $125. So the calendar is supposed to be worth $225. That's what they're promising you, a $225 value. So this is $125. They are trying to convince me, very poorly by the way, that this little pile of stuff right here is worth the other $100. I don't think so. I don't think this is worth $100. A miniature size blush and highlight, 2 little samples of primer, 2 little pots of stuff, and then 2 pins for $100? I don't think so. So yeah, to me, where they're getting the $225 value from, that escapes me. I don't know where that could possibly be coming from. $125? Perhaps. Yes, I could see that. I don't know where they're getting $100 extra out of this little stack of stuff. 'Tis an enigma. I don't know. I feel like this, it's not as bad as Sephora. Is it? It was more than double the money of Sephora, so that's not good. But I don't know if it is as bad as Sephora. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I would love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions. Do you think this is worth the $100 value? Do you think it's worse or better than Sephora? I don't know why we're comparing them, but that's just like my base for like bad calendars is Sephora. Just let me know everything you think down below in the comments. Also, we're going to be trying to do, oh, English. I'm going to try to post an advent calendar unboxing every day till Christmas. So even on Christmas Day, there will be an advent calendar unboxing, and it is going to be a giveaway. I know it doesn't make much sense doing a giveaway of an advent calendar on Christmas, but you know, we're going for it. That giveaway is going to be of a $300 advent calendar that I accidentally received 2 of and didn't tell anybody about. So if you're excited for that giveaway, you can go ahead and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just want to thank you guys so very much for watching. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day and holiday season. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!